recording if you want to hold this. All right, see if we can get that, see if it makes the noise it made earlier. The clutch, it's going to make the noise. Once the clutch is out, it should go away. And everything's good. Everything's good. Everything seems good. No clutch slip. Gears shift fine, just makes that horrible noise when working in the clutch. Kind of embarrassing. Yeah, no. If I turn right mode, it'll block it. That's all we're going to do. Back up to a stop, it's going to be bad.
Definitely not the best of noises I've heard.
And that's it.